Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the central part of our country, in Umbria. Specifically, we are in Todi, which is a beautiful hilltop town offering stunning views and excellent restaurants. Today we are about to visit a very special property. This is a kind of property that is really difficult to find, and nowadays there are really few for sale. It is a water mill. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Water mills are a very special kind of building. In the past, farmers used to utilize the power of running water coming from a river or a creek to move the stone mill that we find here and crush products. So they could crush wheat or olives and produce other products like flour or olive oil. Nowadays, some of these mills have been converted into truly unique holiday homes, like in this case. Let's see it in more detail. Let's now speak about the location and the land of the property. We are exactly 9 kilometers to the hilltop town of Todi, offering all of the main services and excellent restaurants. Then, to access the property, there is a white road that is well paved and easy to access, with a beautiful cypress tree pathway which leads to this slice of heaven. We are on 4 hectares of land, mostly flat and very comfortable to walk around and to use. All around we find this thick forest which adds even more privacy. The property is equipped with 2 water wells that can serve for the outdoor spaces, to water everything and to serve the swimming pool, together with the buildings. With that, there is also the connection to the municipal network for the water. The property is also equipped with a solar panel system to help the hot water system. There are 2 main buildings for a total of 450 square meters. One of the buildings is fully restored and in excellent condition. Behind me we find the water mill, which is the most ancient part and the original mill, where we find the access of the water from the upper part and the exit on the other side. At the moment, the water has been closed, but it can be opened again. There is an approved project to do that. There are 2 main floors plus a tower. On the lower floor, we find a beautiful room where the mill was. So inside our room, all of the work with the stone mill crushing the wheat was performed. And on the ground floor, we find also several other comfortable spaces, like for example, this loggia on the outside, which is excellent in the summertime to enjoy a beautiful dinner with friends. Beside the loggia, there are some ground floor rooms that can also be used in the colder months. This building also offers a spacious garage on the other side. On the upper level, which we access through the external staircase, we get to the main living spaces. There is currently a large living space with a kitchen and 4 bedrooms. On the tower on top that you see, there is a huge room perfect for a primary suite. This building is in excellent condition, especially structurally and under a system point of view, but it would benefit from some remodeling works. It is now time to speak about the stunning 14 by 6 meters swimming pool. It is recently made and in beautiful shape. All around we find a stunning travertino marble sunbathing area with a larger sunbathing spot on that side. There is outdoor lighting and an outdoor shower. Before we go inside the main house, I would like to mention, first of all, the proximity from the main house and the beautiful pool that grants easy access and ease of use. Together with that, we have this large loggia on the side. This is right beside the kitchen in the inside of the house and excellent for the summertime. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the main house. This is a beautiful cottage house that has been recently rebuilt using old materials. There are lots of large windows that give lots of natural light and all of the modern comforts. It is mostly laid on one floor, which makes it very comfortable to live and easy. Let's start. From the entrance space, we find this wide hallway full of natural light, which leads to all of these spaces. But first, let's mention it has a comfortable service bathroom at the entrance, serving all of the common areas. Then there is a storage. Next, there are staircases that go to the underground level that I will show you later. While on my left, we find the first out of two bedrooms. It is really spacious, full of light, and with high ceilings with exposed beams. From the entrance hallway, we right away get into the biggest room of the house, which is this large sitting area with dining space. First, we have this lounge area. I love how it's furnished, very tasteful, and with a great balance of colors. It is revolving around this large fireplace made out of stone over here. It is working and excellent for the winter time. From this room, we then access to the second side, which is the dining space. As well, very large, there are windows on all sides. This dining space is also accessing from outside through this window to the outdoor loggia that I've shown you previously. Let's see the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Here we find the same really high ceilings. We find lots of light because we have corner views and windows everywhere. Same as the dining space, we can easily access to the outdoor loggia, making this a perfect kitchen also for the summertime, where one eats mostly on the outside. It is really large and very practical. There are lots of working spaces all over, a large sink, fully equipped also with dishwasher on this side, lots of storage all around. The stove is made with steel. We have gas on top and on the bottom a large oven. Right beside the living area we've seen, as the last segment of the house, we find the primary bedroom. Here, the beauty is also the access directly to the outdoor garden. Over here, the corner windows, so you have two on both sides and lots of light. And together with this large space, which is also air conditioned, just like the rest of the spaces, we find the bathroom, which is just as big, beautifully paved with stone like the rest of the house. There is a double sink for his and hers and a huge shower. If you remember, at the beginning, at the entrance of the house, I've shown you a room that I was going to show you later. That's where we are now. So we are on the lower level of the house. Here on that side, we find a large laundry space and storage. In this other space, we find this beautiful display of all of these antique cameras. The owner is passionate about them, and that's where he displays them. Next, we find another large room with a huge TV in the end, which makes this space ideal, especially for the summer days. Being slightly underground, it is very cool and excellent for the warmer days. Here we are at the end of today's property tour. I think this property is for somebody that is looking for a special object, something hard to find, and a property that offers both a modernized home, which is this part over here, very comfortable, laid on one level, and offering the modern comforts. Outside we find a spectacular pool, recently built, and the mill part. That part can be upgraded, it can be modernized, and I think that it would be wonderful to open again the water from the creek right under the mill and let it flow again. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section below and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!